Hi friends, today we're gonna do the unboxing of Amazon Echo Dot. So this one I ordered in white color. It comes with two colors, black and white. So let's see what's in the box. Decent packaging it has. Just gonna slide it up. So really efficient packaging it has. So here's your Amazon Echo device and your user manual and what you can try with the Amazon Echo Dot. So some Q&As and oh, that's all that came in the box. And so I'm just gonna take this plastic off. So as you can see here, it's pretty much small, fits in my palm, and it's a white color, a little bit shiny on the sides, metallic color. You can see the Amazon logo over here, and the bottom is a little bit rubberized. You can see those vents. These are for speakers. I think they have 7 speakers for that enhanced voice control system. And you can see the upper vents for the speaker, small speaker over there. And it's very nice design. You can see here USB port and your 2.5mm auxiliary jack, and really so as you can see here, you have plus or minus, that's your for your volume, and this is just a power button, and this is for your mute unmute button here. Very simple, not too many buttons here. I think the older version of Amazon Echo had some kind of like a ring for your volume, but that's been discontinued. So now they come up with these buttons here. So just to let you know, Amazon Echo comes in the bigger one is like a Echo Plus. That's more for your smartphone. That has a little bit more features. You can leverage more on that. But then after that you have Amazon Echo, just a regular Echo, and you have the smaller version, the smaller version Echo Dot. And the good thing about this is it still has some features that Amazon Echo and Echo Plus has. And you just the way I think the speaker might be a little bit not so good compared to Echo and Echo Plus, because they have a bigger body and the speaker might be bigger on that, more enhanced. But there's one, but you can just it has a Bluetooth technology, so you can just have a Bluetooth speaker and you can just connect that, and you can use the Bluetooth speaker for playing music, and if you want good sound quality. And some of the features, it has it's voice control. Obviously it has this far field voice control. That's how you can command For example, Alexa, what's the weather tomorrow? What's the weather today? Alexa, tell Domino's to order my last order. Or Alexa, set up an alarm for 20 minutes. Or Alexa, what's in my card? Alexa, play some music. So it's gonna play the playlist from your Amazon Music or iHeart or Pandora, whatever you have configured on the Amazon Alexa app. So it's pretty handy if you work in kitchen or somewhere you don't you can't use your phone, so you can just command the Alexa to do a bunch of steps. So Alexa, play top songs, dim my lights, so that the dimming lights comes into play when you add some like a TP-Link switch or a Wemo bulbs or a little bit smart bulbs, smart switch. So that's when you can use those features for light. And wake me up at 6 a.m. That's pretty easy. You can just command Alexa, wake me up at 6 a.m. Then it just sets an alarm on the Amazon Alexa app. So you can see up here it's a Wi-Fi Bluetooth connection. It has this Alexa voice service. It's a cloud service where you can configure multiple things like Amazon Music, Pandora, NPR, Arlo, Wemo. That's your Hui bulbs, Spotify, CNN. So there are a bunch of apps you can use with Amazon Echo Dot, and some of the features mentioned over here, design around your voice. So like I told you, cloud-based voice service, so it helps you do a bunch of things. I've used it for play my Audible book. And you can configure Bluetooth speakers, and you can see Spotify, iHeartRadio, Pandora. So this has this far field voice recognition. Like I told you, it has 7 microphones. And beamforming technology. So it has this noise cancellation also. So that's how it figures out if you're playing a song and suddenly you say Amazon Alexa, tell me the weather. So that's how it kind of figures out the different voice command. And so it's a good starter device to make your home smart. It's an entry-level device. So I'm just gonna power it, so you can see this blue ring kind of circulates. Now there's the orange.
Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
So there are a bunch of meanings regarding these light rings. Sometimes it circulates blue, or sometimes it's orange, or sometimes it's purple. So just check out in Amazon.com and try to see what these different color refers to. And right now we're just trying to initiate. We still need to download the Alexa app and configure the Wi-Fi with this Amazon Echo Dot. This is pretty handy too, and I've got this user manual. This is really handy. It's gonna tell you what are different buttons, and how you plug in, how you can download this Alexa app, and some setup instruction there, and how you can connect with your Bluetooth speaker if you have. And it's suggesting you try to just keep your Bluetooth speaker 3 feet away from Echo Dot for optimal performance. And pretty much how you can get started with the Alexa app. So that's all in here. And so I'm just gonna put a new video for how we can set it up with Amazon Alexa. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching this video.